Let us see how to zoom in and zoom out of the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let us say we have got this clip and I want to zoom into the face. So what you do is select that clip and then go to the effect controls panel. As you can see over here, I am on the effect controls panel, and then just expand this motion effect. Now on this screen you have to add the keyframes for this scale property, but before that make sure that this timeline is zooming to that particular point, and now you can start adding the keyframes. So let us say I want to start the keyframes at this point of time. So you can see this, as I move the marker, this particular time is changing. So I want to start the animation from the 29th of the second. Over here you have to add this keyframe. Now I want the animation to finish after, say, 1 second. So let's go to the 30th of second over here. So you can see right now it is 30th of second. So add another keyframe, but instead of adding the keyframe by clicking on this button, I'm gonna just change this scale effect. So I'm just gonna increase this by, say, 20%, and keyframe will be automatically added for us. So just take the mouse over this particular number and then drag it to 120. So you can see now that there is some zoom in animation that is happening now, like this. Okay, if you want to zoom in a little bit more, just select this keyframe and then expand it once again. So like this. So now if you run this, you can see this is how that animation is looking like. Now to zoom out, again we have to add another keyframe. Say I want to zoom out from this point to the original point. So I'm just gonna click on this one, and you can see that the keyframe is added and the scale effect is reset. Basically at the starting point the scale value was 100, and since I clicked on this button, so what happens is that keyframe is added with the scale value as 100. So this is how it's gonna look like. That's it. That's how you can add zoom in and zoom out effect for the videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.